Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security. Let's tap. Now in the device security section on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's enter. And here this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because here we have to set the pattern pin or password. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the backup screen method. Of course, if you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be transferred to another step, to the next step. If not, just pick the option you'd like to, and okay, it can be something like that, and confirm it. Right now we have to decide what we want to show on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's of course up to you. I will pick the second option and tap on done. So here we've got some info about the fingerprint, that you will be able not only to unlock your device but also authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on next. And here we've got the information that we have to touch the sensor, localize the sensor, which is on the power button of your device on the side. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. Alright, and as you can see, the fingerprint has been added successfully. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint settings, so basically all we can do here is to add the fingerprint, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if we want to, so why not? Let's tap on OK. And if you want to, you can remove it here. So enough of talking, let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.